In the grand tapestry of life, our goals are the threads that weave our destinies. They are the aspirations that drive us forward, the dreams that ignite our passions, and the milestones that mark our progress. As Muslims, we are not merely striving for worldly success, but for a holistic achievement that encompasses both temporal and eternal rewards. This lecture will explore the Islamic principles that guide us towards achieving our goals in a manner that is both meaningful and fulfilling. The Divine Blueprint, the Quran and Hadith. The Quran and Hadith, the primary sources of Islamic guidance, provide a comprehensive framework for achieving our goals. They offer invaluable insights, practical advice, and inspiring stories that illuminate the path to success. The importance of setting goals. The Quran encourages us to plan and set goals, and plan your affairs, and seek help from Allah. The role of patience and perseverance. The Quran emphasizes the importance of patience and perseverance, and indeed, your Lord is of great patience, and He is indeed the forgiver. The power of prayer and supplication. The Quran teaches us the significance of prayer and supplication in seeking Allah's guidance and assistance, and call upon your Lord with humility and reverence. The value of trust in Allah. The Quran encourages us to trust in Allah's plan, and whoever relies upon Allah, He is sufficient for him. The prophetic example, a model of success. The life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a shining example of how to achieve goals in a manner that is both noble and effective. His unwavering faith, resilience, and dedication to his mission serve as an inspiration for all believers. Overcoming obstacles. The Prophet faced numerous challenges and hardships on his journey, but he never lost sight of his goals. His unwavering belief in Allah's support helped him overcome obstacles and persevere. Seeking guidance. The Prophet sought guidance from Allah through prayer, meditation, and consultation with his companions. His reliance on divine wisdom ensured that his actions were aligned with the teachings of Islam. Building strong relationships. The Prophet emphasized the importance of building strong relationships with others. His compassionate and inclusive approach helped him gain the support and loyalty of his followers. Islamic stories, lessons in goal achievement. Islamic history is replete with inspiring stories of individuals who achieved remarkable success by adhering to Islamic principles. These stories offer valuable lessons and insights that can help us on our own journeys. The story of Prophet Yusuf. The story of Prophet Yusuf is a powerful reminder of the importance of patience, perseverance, and trust in Allah. Despite facing numerous trials and tribulations, Yusuf remained steadfast in his faith and ultimately achieved a position of great power and influence. The story of Prophet Dawood. The story of Prophet Dawood highlights the importance of using one's talents and abilities to serve Allah and the community. Dawood's skill as a shepherd enabled him to lead a successful and fulfilling life. The story of Omar bin Khattab. The story of Omar bin Khattab, one of the most influential companions of the Prophet, demonstrates the power of transformation. Omar was initially a fierce opponent of Islam, but through the guidance of his sister and the influence of the Prophet's teachings, he became a devout believer and a pillar of the Islamic community. Practical tips for achieving goals. In addition to the spiritual principles discussed above, there are practical steps that we can take to achieve our goals. Set smart goals. Ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan outlining the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. Break down goals into smaller steps. Divide your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Stay focused and persistent. Avoid distractions and stay committed to your goals, even in the face of challenges. Seek support and guidance. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, mentors, or religious leaders. Achieving our goals in life is a journey that requires both spiritual and practical guidance. By adhering to the principles outlined in the Quran and Hadith, following the example of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and drawing inspiration from the stories of Islamic history, we can embark on a path of success that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Our ultimate goal is not merely to achieve worldly success, but to attain the pleasure of Allah and secure our place in